Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on sounds. Then scroll down a little bit again and then tap on ringtone. From here you can change your ringtone. Under the ringtone section you will see various ringtones. Now I'll just play a few. You can also set your alarm tones as your ringtone. I'll select a tone from the ringtone section. When you are done, tap on the arrow icon on top left corner and your ringtone will be changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.